Miles, let me take a picture with you with your glasses on. Smile.
Oh, look at my man. Molly, is that a do-rag?
No, that's a...
Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. Put your sunglasses on. Now smile.
Let's go to it.
Turn around.
What up, G?
Yo, he scared the shit out of him.
He just popped in the room.
Got his do-rag tied.
Mwah.
Got the do-rag tied.
Hi, baby.
You all cripped out. Throw your seat
Hi,
up.
baby.
Mickey and Friends
Hi, baby.
chain. Wait.
Wait,
Why's my camera blurry like that?
Your pants are too low, man.
He's pulling them up.
Like this, like this.
Maybe you should pull up
And
yours.
grab right here.
Oh, you ain't gotta tell him. You ain't gotta. Go ahead, sexy.
You know
man.
you fly.
Go, Miley. Go, Miley. Go, Miley. Go,
Let's
Miley.
finish our game.
Yeah, let's finish the game. We're almost done. I want to be the judge.
Go, Miley.
12, 40.
Go, Miley. Go,
That was a
Miley.
good time.
Go, Miley.
See, I told you guys we should have gone and played.
We were so loud we kicked everybody out.
But this game is meant for people to talk.
Depends where we are now. Maybe we're close to Puerto Rico.
I still have no way.
No, we're not. We're next to Florida.
Why you guys clean up the game? He's the only one that.
We passed Florida or
Yeah, why you guys
since early in
clean
the morning.
Why you guys clean
You guys ran, so I cleaned it up.
We weren't done. Oh, only man. Oh,
Yo, what do y'all want?
that was a good game too, man.
Shut up.
Nah, look.
Shut up. Me.
Ooh.
We're gonna hide the cards again, man.
That's mean.
It's your fault.
Who's it?
It's like Joe's water.
What's up, Fredo?
Loud.
Who's
No,
favorite?
that's when other people gonna come.
My dad don't know what's here.
So we found the card like this. Hit it.
Under the table on that side.
You gonna pay for it?
Lollipop, lollipop.
You want to go see Mickey?
Like
If it's
that
what?
spot.
Come on, mom. We
Yeah, we're hiding the Uno cards so nobody can find them next time we come.
my paycheck in there.
I'm just commenting. We're bad. See?
That's how we found them.
That's how we found it the first time.
So I'm gonna do the same thing they did.
You think whoever put it like that, they're gonna find it?
They found it on the other side. They hit it on the other side.
Hey, yo, who's USB cord?
Mine.
It's,
Oh, money has a do-rag?
yeah.
You going one in the bank?
Why is
Your
my
mother when you
camera
work.
doing that?
She did
I'm in
too.
Florida.
Put your glasses on.
Not in Florida anymore.
So wait, we're not playing anymore? We're not even near
Oh, we're
Florida.
off the coast.
We passed Florida.
How do we
Really?
know?
Since this morning, I see we are passing. We're going on.
How do you know you were passing Florida?
There's a.
I like these glasses. I like
How do we pass Florida?
I need to get a pair.
It's not one near Florida, no? That's why it's gonna take us another day.
Listen. Oh my God. Say what you have to say. Say what you have to say.
They decided to all match today.
Say
White
what
team.
you got to say.
Are you talking to your mom?
Hey.
And then?
Say what you need to say.
Say what you have to say. Yes.
She can't hear me.
Where's mommy? Let's see, where's mommy? Let's see, where's mommy?
Yes.
You guys brought Miley on the deck?
Yes, mom.
Say what you need to say. Say what you need to say. Why you open my face for?
You came close to the camera.
You missed me?
Say what you need to say.
So fly.
Say what you need to say.
You don't know.
Stupid.
Where's your parents? Where's your parents?
Miley, when were you looking at me to figure that? You don't hear this, okay? You don't need
I feel good.
Wait, don't push me.
Don't let Miles come in here, please.
Okay.
Don't push me. I'm not trying to. I don't want my camera to fall overboard. Woo. Yeah. Oh, now you see we're in a different ocean, right? Because near Baltimore, the water was black, whereas, well, here it's blue. Here we're really in the Atlantic. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Think there's sharks in here?
Obviously, yeah. We're close to Bermuda for
I want to
just.
see like a whale.
Yeah.
You're not gonna see a whale do that like this early during the day.
I want to see something jump out the water.
Alright, guys.
What about a dead body? Oh, what about that plane that crashed in the ocean? Was it
Oh, yo, that was just a flying fish. You saw
Oh,
it?
I saw it.
No,
That was an algae.
no, it's a flying fish.
Let's go see the flying fish.
Yeah, there is.
Oh my God! I'm so
They jumped out the water or they
Yeah. they jump out the water, they glide, and then they jump back in the water. I just seen one.
It's nice though. That's a nice view.
Calming.
It is. I like the blue water.
I don't like how everybody's out here, so it's like, it does not feel safe.
Yeah, it is blue. That's easy. Makes a difference.
Yo, you feel that
It's
mist?
blue, blue, blue.
You feel that mist off the ocean?
It's really nice.
No land, man.
No land.
My phone is roaming. Shit.
It is.
It's like my phone is roaming shit.